Let's fix if there's a blank screen on Instagram. Now, if you're opening up the Instagram app and it's just a blank screen, it's not showing you anything, it's not loading any posts, any stories, anything like that, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So the very first thing that we'll do is we'll open up a web browser because we want to check to make sure that it's not blank because one, your internet connection is bad, or two, the Instagram servers are not down. So the first thing we'll do is type in speed test here, and we'll just run a quick speed test. Make sure that you have a sufficient internet connection, 5-10 megabytes per second, something like that, so that it's able to load those photos and videos if they are available. So once we rule out that it is not your internet that's causing that blank screen, we'll test and see if it's Instagram servers. So we'll type in is Instagram down, and go there and go to down detector. Now on here, if you scroll down, if you see a big spike in reported outages, then most likely it's just a blank screen because Instagram servers are down, and even though your app and your phone is working, it can't necessarily get that signal from Instagram servers over to your specific app to load it. So if that's the case, you just have to wait until Instagram gets their stuff back up and running, usually within a few hours. So then the last thing we'll do is if it's still an issue after checking those first two things, we will go into our settings here. We'll scroll down and tap on general and then iPhone storage. Now, once this loads up, we're basically going to find the Instagram app. Here it is. And we'll offload the app and reinstall it. Now, if you're on Android, you can just clear the cache, delete the Instagram app, and then just reinstall the app. And I'll hit reinstall app, and then once this is reinstalled, you should be able to load up the Instagram app and it shouldn't have that blank screen. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.